Welcome to the world's second shortest podcast, Wellbeing Wisdom Tiny Bites, where you get actionable, evidence-based, wagalicious answers to real-world problems in 90 seconds or less. I'm Sandy Weaver. Here's today's Tiny Bite. Let's pretend you're driving on an interstate in rolling, slowish traffic. Suddenly, the car in front of you stops just in time to not hit the one in front of them, and you slam on the brakes, barely missing the car in front of you. You look in the rear view, and you see the car behind you jerk to a stop, and the cars behind that one bailing off onto the shoulder. What is your immediate feeling and reaction? Anger, irritation with the situation, fear of the accident that you were almost a part of? All of those are typical normal reactions, and yet they do nothing for your mental well-being. They keep you stuck in the drama of a near miss. What if, instead, you can stop that normal reaction before it takes over and choose a better one? What if you could have a celebration for all the good drivers that were attentive enough to keep a chain reaction accident from happening? Which of those reactions, the normal one or the enlightened one, will help you tell a better story when you get to your destination? Which of those reactions will help you have a better day? The choice is yours. Want more? Come and play in the Wagalicious Life online community playground. Go to wagalicious.life. That's WAGALICIOUS.life. Here's to your success, one tiny bite at a time.